To view your payment history on Charles Schwab, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Schwab.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view a list of your accounts and related information. Step 3. Select the appropriate account. From the list of accounts, select the specific account for which you want to view the payment history. This could be a brokerage account, retirement account, or another type. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for an option labeled Transaction History or Activity. Click on this option to see a detailed list of all transactions, including payments made and received. Step 5. Filter and review payment history. Use any available filters to narrow down your search to specific dates or transaction types. Review the payment history display to find the information you need. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on Charles Schwab. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.